Hi, my dear friends. I welcome you all to Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel. We are having 261 subscribers in our YouTube family, and I would love to see 1,000 subscribers in our YouTube family as soon as possible. And therefore, what you all have to do? You all have to go to the YouTube search bar and type Delicious Food Fusion, and please see that green colored logo over there, a lady chef with a plate. So that's my channel's logo. Please go there, click on that, and hit on the subscribe button along with the bell icon. Please do not forget to press the bell icon, because once you press the bell icon, you will be the first one to receive the notification of whatever video I upload in my YouTube channel. And that is why please hit on the bell icon and then subscribe to my channel. Please watch my videos till the end completely so that you can see the entire recipe and do not miss out any of the secret ingredients over there. And also, you will be helping me in reaching 4,000 watch hours as soon as possible. Guys, I'm making you a promise. If you make me reach 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours as soon as possible, then I will be uploading many such delicious recipes videos every week on regular intervals. So, if you guys want to know about the delicious Indo-Western style, Indian style, Italian style, Chinese style, American style of food recipes, then please support me. Please support to our channel. Let our Delicious Food Fusion YouTube channel grow and reach greater heights. So please, guys, I request everyone to please subscribe to my channel, share it with your friends and family. Please share the recipes, try it at home, comment on my videos if you like it or how it came, what you felt. Please comment, guys, and you can even comment whatever recipes you want to see in my channel in the upcoming days. So, whatever recipes you ask me, I will do those recipes and I will upload it on my YouTube channel. So, please don't feel shy. Please free feel to write down the recipes whichever you want to know, and I'll be uploading that. And guys, if you want me to upload videos in Kannada language, then please tell me. I will also make videos in Kannada and I will upload English and Kannada videos. Anyone can ask me to do, and I will upload those videos and I will be showing it in my YouTube family. Guys, so let's see what we are going to do in today's video. In today's video, I am going to do egg muffins in an Indo-Western style. Wow, isn't this delicious thing? Guys, so you want to know how to make this Indo-Western style of egg muffins? Then watch my full video for getting the recipe. The ingredients which are required to make Indo-Western style egg muffins are carrot, cheese, chilies, and coriander leaves. You can grate all of them. Firstly, take a vessel and then break the eggs and put it. You can put how much ever eggs you want. I'm using 3 to 4 eggs here. So you can take a fork and hit on that egg exactly in the center so that it breaks into half. Can you see how I'm breaking? Please do the same way. You can put eggs depending upon the number of people whom you're making too. Now I'm adding the grated mozzarella cheese. You can even add the Parmesan cheese if you want. I'm adding the grated carrot. I've used 1 carrot for this. I'm adding the green chilies and the coriander leaves, finely and freshly chopped coriander leaves. add 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder. If you want more spicy, then you can add another spoon of black pepper powder. Otherwise, you can just keep it with 1 tablespoon of black pepper powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder, and add salt according to your taste. Now I'm mixing all these ingredients well. Can you see the way I'm using the fork to beat the egg and mix it fastly? Please do the same way. If you beat the egg very quickly and fastly, it becomes very softened and fluffy too. I think all of you like to have fluffy egg muffins, right? Just like the cupcakes. If you want that fluffiness texture, then you can use even the egg beater and beat it, or you can use fork if you don't have the egg beater. See guys, once you're done with beating all the ingredients, now you take a vessel called as Paddu vessel. We call it as Paddu vessel, but I don't know how you guys call. You can use such type of a vessel. It looks like a tawa with holes in it. There'll be 10 to 12 holes in it, just like a pudding hole. It'll be like that. You get this in an iron. This is an iron vessel. So I'm adding ghee to this. Once you add the ghee to the holes and allow it to boil for some 1 to 2 minutes, you can start putting this egg batter which we have prepared inside these holes. These are the pudding holes which we cook it on the stove. These pudding holes are called as the Paddu holes, and hence we are putting all the mixed egg batter inside that, and we are allowing it to cook for 5 minutes. Within 5 minutes, these egg muffins will be ready. Isn't this a simple recipe, guys? I hope you all can enjoy, especially the people and the students who are alone. They can do this. Students, bachelors, and other people who are alone in the house or going to work, and this is a very quick breakfast which you can do, and this will be ready within no time. See, once after 3 minutes, you can just flip these muffin batters, and you can see how nicely it's going to be flipped. That round ball shape kind of muffin structure will be formed, and when you flip it, it comes like this. Isn't it wonderful? This looks like a pudding for me, guys. What do you think of? In Indian style, we can say it looks like paddu too. Paddu, appam, everything looks like this. Similarly, you can even do egg muffins. It's an Indo-Western style of egg muffins. I really know that the kids in the house will love it. So this is one of the wonderful, delicious recipes, guys. Please try this at home. It's very simple, very, very simple, very easy recipe. See, if you want, you can add those cheese. Otherwise, people who are very health conscious, there is no need for you to add cheese in that. We are adding cheese only to get that beautiful, cheesy, creamy texture inside that egg batter. One round is done, so now I'm putting the other round of the leftover batter inside this paddu stand, and I'm allowing it to cook for some 5 minutes. See, I have small amount of batter left, so only 4 padus are being done. So I'm doing only 4 muffins now. Guys, I know many of you will be wondering what is paddu, what is appam. Yes, if you want those paddu and appam recipes, then please tell me. I will make it in the next videos and I'll upload. See guys, now once it's done, you can serve it on the plate and it's ready to eat. Isn't it delicious? Wow, it's looking so yummy. Please guys, try this at home and tell me how it came. Can you see those playlists and the videos which are uploaded on the screen? Yes, please go and click those videos and playlists and watch the recipes fully. There are many mouth-watering chicken recipes, veg recipes also. Non-vegetarians, I guess you will love this channel. Guys, vegetarians, if you want me to upload more vegetarian recipes, then please do comment on my videos and let me know so that I can upload vegetarian recipes too. And guys, I'm reminding you once again, if you want me to do videos and upload in Kannada, please tell me. ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನೀವು ದಯವಿಟ್ಟು ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನನಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಬೇಕು. ವೀಕ್ಷಕರೇ, ನಿಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಇಂಡೋ ವೆಸ್ಟರ್ನ್ ಸ್ಟೈಲ್ ಎಗ್ ಮಫಿನ್ಸ್ ಇಷ್ಟವಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಭಾವಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಿಮಗೂ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಮತ್ತು ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಮಾತ್ರ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ ಗೈಸ್. ನೋಡಿದ್ರ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಕನ್ನಡತಿನ ಪ್ರೋತ್ಸಾಹಿಸಿ ಮತ್ತು ನೀವು ನನಗೆ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ನಿಜವಾಗ್ಲೂ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಮಾಡಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಇಂಗ್ಲೀಷಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಕನ್ನಡ ಫಾಲೋವರ್ಸ್ ನನಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಜನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾನು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೂ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಆದ್ದರಿಂದ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಂದರೆ ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಹೇಳಿ, ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ವೀಡಿಯೋಸ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. Thank you. Have a very nice day guys. Please try this recipe at home and share it with your friends and family. I hope you all enjoyed today's video. Bye. Have a nice day.